Today we are discussing the interview questions and answers for AWS Certified SysOps Administrator Associate. You can download the complete list of AWS-based questions from the link provided in the description. Our interview question based on SysOps Administrator Associate is: what is AWS CloudTrail Insights and how does it help with security analysis? Your answer should be AWS CloudTrail Insights is a feature of AWS CloudTrail that automatically analyzes CloudTrail logs to identify and alert on unusual activity, unauthorized API calls, and potential security risks. It helps security teams detect and respond to security incidents in real time. Our next interview question is: how can you optimize performance for Amazon RDS databases? Your answer should be performance for Amazon RDS databases can be optimized by selecting appropriate instance types, configuring RDS parameters, optimizing database schemas and queries, enabling multi-agent deployment for high availability, and leveraging read replicas for read scalability. Our next interview question is: what is AWS Lambda concurrency and how does it affect function execution? Your answer should be AWS Lambda concurrency refers to the number of executions of a Lambda function that can occur simultaneously. It is controlled by the function's concurrency limit, which can be adjusted to control the maximum number of concurrent executions and throttle incoming requests. Our next interview question is: how do you ensure data consistency and durability in Amazon DynamoDB? Your answer should be data consistency and durability in Amazon DynamoDB are ensured by using strong consistency for read operations, enabling DynamoDB streams for capturing and processing data changes, configuring auto-scaling to handle fluctuating workloads, and using point-in-time recovery for data backup and restore. Our next interview question is: what are AWS organizations, SCPs, and how are they used for governance? Your answer should be AWS Organization Service Control Policies, SCPs, are policy documents that you can attach to organizational units, OUs, or accounts in AWS organizations. They allows you to define guardrails and enforce governance controls such as restricting access to specific AWS services or regions across your organization. Our next interview question is: what is AWS Systems Manager Session Manager and how does it facilitate remote management of EC2 instances? Your answer should be AWS Systems Manager Session Manager is a feature of AWS Systems Manager that allows you to securely connect to and manage EC2 instances using a browser-based shell or the AWS CLI. It eliminates the need for SSH or RDP access and provides centralized control and auditing of remote sessions. Our next interview question is: how do you automate AMI, that is Amazon Machine Image, creation and updates? Your answer should be AMI creation and updates can be automated using AWS Systems Manager automation documents or AWS Lambda functions to automate the process of creating, updating, and sharing AMIs based on predefined schedules or triggers such as instance launches or configuration changes. Our next interview question is, what is AWS Data Lifecycle Manager and how does it help manage data retention policies? Your answer should be AWS Data Lifecycle Manager is a service that automates the creation, retention, and deletion of Amazon EBS snapshots. It allows you to define lifecycle policies based on schedules or tags to manage the retention of snapshots and reduce storage costs. If you are preparing for any AWS based certifications, you can download the complete list of valid, tried and tested questions and answers from the link provided in the description below.